This is a 20-minute body scan meditation. Finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and taking a few moments to settle in, closing the eyes or softening the gaze, allowing the body to be supported by the chair or the floor. This is an opportunity to become present to the moment and to awake to sensations that are in the body. So begin by noticing sensations in the body or from the surface of the skin. Some sensations are experienced as pleasant or unpleasant. And in some parts of the body, there may be no awareness of sensation. As best you can, staying with each sensation moment to moment, noticing the actual sensations themselves. You may notice a preference for some sensations, wanting them to remain. And equally, you may want other sensations to be gone or to reduce. Learning to notice this, knowing that there's no right way to do this, and just discovering a way to accept whatever is arising, holding the experience, acknowledging what is present. If at any time this exercise starts to feel difficult or even overwhelming, then pause, open the eyes, resettle, and when you're ready, return to listening to the recording. When we pay attention to the body in this way, it's very likely that we become aware of the breath moving in and moving out of the body. So bringing the attention to the breath and noticing where on the body you can feel the breath most clearly. This may be at the nostrils, with the air coming in and going out. It may be at the mouth or the throat, with the air passing by. It might be in the movement of the ribs and chest, or in the expansion and contraction of the belly. Wherever you can find your breath most easily, placing your attention there and following the movement of the breath for a few moments. And gathering the attention from this focus on breathing and moving the attention all the way down the left leg, almost like focusing your attention like a flashlight and shining the beam of the flashlight all the way down the left leg, traveling the full length of the left leg to the toes of the left foot, and becoming aware of sensations that are present in the toes of the left foot. There may be sensations of heat or cold, moisture or dryness, perhaps tingling, or maybe just a sense of the toes themselves. Be with the experience of whatever is arising from the toes. And if there are no sensations, noticing that. And on an out breath, releasing the attention from the toes and moving the attention along the sole of the left foot, including the heel, and observing what's arising in this moment. On an out breath, gently releasing the attention from the sole and heel of the left foot and bringing attention to the entire foot, the top surface of the left foot, the sole of the left foot, the toes of the left foot, the entire left foot. Gently exploring what might be present as you continue to breathe. On an out breath, shifting the attention from the foot and moving the attention up to the ankle, sensing the front of the ankle, the sides and back of the ankle, and deep within the ankle joint itself. And on an out breath, letting go of this attention on the left ankle and moving the attention up to the left lower leg, like shining a flashlight moving the beam up the leg to the left lower leg and becoming aware of whatever sensations are here. Perhaps there are sensations of heaviness or lightness, cold or heat, dampness or dryness. Perhaps there's an absence of sensation. Simply noticing what is present. On an out breath, letting go of the attention to the left lower leg and moving the attention up to the knee, exploring the knee, and then continuing to move the attention up to the left upper leg. Observing sensations here at the left upper leg. Perhaps sensing heaviness or relaxation, noticing tension or ease. Whatever is present, being attentive to this part of the body. You may have noticed that the attention has moved to thinking. Perhaps a story, a worry, a memory. If this has happened, simply noticing that the attention has wandered, and with kindness and gentleness, bringing the attention back. This wandering may happen many times, and whenever you notice, simply bring the attention back without judgment, without blame. In this way, we learn to steady attention by paying attention to the physical sensations of the body. And letting go of this attention to the left upper leg and moving the attention across the body and directing the attention all the way down the right leg to the right toes and observing sensations that arise at the right toes. Moving from the right toes to the rest of the right foot, exploring the sole of the right foot, the top of the right foot, the sides of the right foot, the heel of the right foot. Developing a gentle, open curiosity and awareness to whatever is present or absent in this moment. And if there's not much arising in the moment, bringing attention to that. Releasing the attention on the right foot and moving the attention up to the right ankle, exploring the sides of the ankle, the back of the ankle, the joint deep within the ankle. As we explore sensations in this way, we may become aware of a painful region or an ache. If this is so, gently noticing that, and then seeing if it's possible to return to the part of the body that's receiving our attention. On an out breath, letting go of this attention to the ankle and moving the attention like shining a flashlight up the right lower leg. Paying attention as best you can in this moment to sensations in the right lower leg. On an out breath, letting go of this attention to the right lower leg and moving the flashlight of attention past the knee, around the knee, and then shining the flashlight of attention on the right upper leg. Holding this part of the body, the right upper leg, in gentle awareness and allowing for all sensations or the absence of sensations to arise. Observing sensations without judgment. Letting go of the attention to the right upper leg and moving the attention to the area of the pelvis and lower abdomen. Noticing the right hip and the left hip, this lower part of the torso that contains the organs of reproduction and elimination. Gently breathing here and noticing sensations that may be arising. Sometimes there are strong sensations that arise from this area. And if that happens, knowing that you can turn your attention to the breath as a way of anchoring to the present moment. And then when you're ready, gently turning your attention back and listening to the guidance. Now letting go of the lower abdomen and pelvis area and bringing attention to the lower back. As best you can, noticing whatever is arising. On an out breath, letting go of this attention to the lower back and bringing the attention to the abdomen, the belly. Pausing here for a moment or two and noticing the rise and fall of the belly as you breathe in and out. Steadying the attention, being present for the physical sensations here. And gently moving your attention up to the chest, where you may become aware of the heart beating or the ribs moving. Not going anywhere, not doing anything, staying here at the chest. And noticing the entire torso or simply the chest moving as you breathe. Being aware of any areas of tension or of ease, of pain or comfort, of movement or vibration. Taking a moment to be here, to be present. And now on an out breath, letting go of the torso and chest and moving the attention up to the left shoulder and down the length of the left arm, bringing attention to the fingers of the left hand. Noticing sensations in each finger in turn, and then the thumb. Moving the attention over the palm of the hand, the back of the hand. Guiding the flashlight of attention over the wrist and lower arm. And being curious, gently exploring sensations. Moving the attention over the left elbow and then up to the left upper arm. On an out breath, letting go of this attention to the left upper arm and moving the attention back up to the left shoulder, across the body to the right shoulder, and observing sensations in the right shoulder. And then sliding the flashlight of attention down the right arm, all the way down to the right fingers, observing each of the fingers in turn, and then the thumb. Being curious about sensations that arise here. With patience and kindness, continuing to explore sensations over the palm of the right hand and the back of the right hand, moving the attention over the right wrist, the right lower arm. Continuing to move the attention up the right arm, over the right elbow, to the right upper arm. Taking a moment here at the right upper arm and becoming aware of any sensations that may be arising. And on an out breath, letting go of the attention to the right forearm and moving the attention back up to the right shoulder and then to the center and becoming aware of the neck and throat. With patience and kindness, continuing to pay attention to sensations that may be appearing. Softening the neck and throat as best you can, noticing any sensations of tension, of softness, of warmth or coolness, simply being present in this moment. And now on an out breath, letting go of this attention to the neck and throat and moving the attention up over the face and head, sensing the jaw and chin, the lips and mouth, the teeth and tongue, the roof of the mouth. Becoming aware of the cheeks, the nose, and the nostrils. Moving the attention to the eyes and the eyelids, the eyebrows, the forehead. Shining the beam of the flashlight of attention to the sides of the head, to the ears. Continuing to move the attention to the back of the head, the top of the head, perhaps even becoming aware of the weight of the head. And now, letting go of this focused attention on the head and bringing awareness to the full length and breadth of the body here, from the head all the way down to the toes and including the arms. Noticing the weight of the body, noticing points of contact. Being here, being aware. Feeling complete and whole just as you are. Feeling a state of relaxed awareness and openness to things just as they are. And as we come to the end of this body scan meditation, allowing the next few breaths to be a little deeper. And if your eyes have been closed, allowing them to open. Or if you chose to soften the gaze, simply widening the gaze and taking in the surroundings. Moving the body in whatever way feels comfortable, stretching the arms and legs, wiggling the fingers and toes. With care and kindness for yourself, with gratitude to yourself, transition gently into the next moments of your day.